Hey guys, it's me vaping with TJ13. How are you doing? Well, I picked up today the Vandy Vape Full Steam Ahead Pulse BF Kit, a Tony B project. Yes, and if you like to go to their website, it is vandyvape.com, as it says right there. You do have a scratch and verify thing right here. You also have a scan and follow here as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open it up. This is just an unboxing. Now if you want me to review it, let me know down below. Here we go. I did get this one in the white. So let's go and so here is the mod right here. I did get it in the white, like I said. Looks great. Got the door panels here. The squonk box here, very squishy. There's the back here where you can put your battery. There's the top there. There's the fire button here. Also, it does says pulse right here. Yes. Oh, there is the RDA. It says pulse. Got this little piece of tape here. Under the bottom, it says Pulse 24. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. Pulse 24, a Tony B project, special edition, manufactured by Vandy Vape. You do get your 18650 adapter. And you get another drip tip. And down up under here, you get a whole bunch of tools and whatnots, O-rings, a tri-tool, in this package you got some magnets, some screws, a spring, yes, because this is a squonk box. And then down up under here you have your user manual here. You have English, Danish, let's see, English, Danish, German, and Spanish. Awesome. So let's take a look at this drip tip here, or this Pulse 24 RDA. You got the white frost drip tip here. It matches the mod itself. It looks great. And then you have the RDA itself. You do this, you can do your venting. Whatever's on this side is on the other side. Do it that way. It should be that way. Yep. So let's let you see the deck. So there's the deck. It's a postless deck. Looks very nice. Here's the top of that deck. That's how it looks on the inside. It's like a dome shape. Nice. And here is the deck right here. Looks nice. Now this is my first time building, so yeah. I like it so far. There's the screws right there. So yeah. So guys, that is my unboxing of the Vandy Vape Pulse BF kit, a Tony project. If you can, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe. All right guys, peace.